Hi, this is Marie and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you a short clip of our mini vacation at Wisconsin Dells. And this is just one part of it, and probably in the next following videos, I will be showing you a little bit of different clips of that vacation. So anyway, here is one part of that trip. So Wisconsin Dells is about 3 hours away, and it's a good vacation spot. A lot of people come over for probably just a weekend getaway, or some people stay longer, and it's good for all ages. So there's a lot of things to do here, and at this part of the vacation, I'm going to show you that we are going to ride a boat, and it's gonna be in the Upper Dells. So we have already experienced going to the Lower Dells for another type of boat ride, and that's a different type of boat where it can go on land and on water. But this time we are going to the Upper Dells, and it's just a regular boat. After purchasing our tickets, we had to wait in line for about probably an hour because the other boat already left, and the boat rides are by schedule. And so now you're gonna see the boat that we're going on to. It's not this boat that's in front of us, but it's the boat next to it. The boat's name is Yellow Thunder, and if you can see in the background, there's boats passing by. Over here, we already boarded the boat, and we opted to stay on the lower deck so we can see. And you can see all the different buildings that are surrounding the water, and all the other boats that have been docked for some time, and also the rock formations. And we had time for a few pictures. And here the water is really cool, and splashes are coming into the boat. It's quite relaxing and very beautiful to look at. Of course, the tour guide provides us so much information about the place and the surroundings and the history. You can also view some commercial buildings, some houses, and other boats that have been docked or probably still parked, and some houses that are situated near the water. And over here also you can see the rock formation, and they're all being described. And yeah, we had some time to snap some pictures. At this point, we were excited to see that they had given us some time to view the land and all the rock formation, and it's really an experience. Of course, we're not allowed to touch anything, but to be this close to this rock formation, it's really nice. And walking over the bridge, there's some water coming in, and also from the rocks. It's very peaceful, and it's cool on these parts. So here you can see our boat again. So we were able to go on 2 stops for the land tour, which was a nice break from the water tour. More picture taking. And here they provided us with a little show where they had a dog run over to or jump from one rock formation to the other and then back, which was a reenactment of something that was done a long time ago but by a human. And here we have the concession stand. This is the, I think, the second one. Yeah, I was not able to take a video on the first one. And guys, this is really a nice experience, and look and see how beautiful the views are. It's so unexpected. It's like a gem. Over here, you know, we keep pacing slowly because really the height of this area makes it a little bit hard to climb, but you know, we had to pace ourselves. It was such a treat for all of us. And every now and then we would be stopping for a rest and also for some pictures. There were restrooms available in the area for resting and buying some treats. Enjoyed this video, please click like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Stay safe and be healthy. Bye.